हेलो एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम चौसेरियन एज की बात कर रहे थे। इससे पहले हम पार्ट 1 की बात कर चुके हैं, ये हमारा पार्ट 2 है। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चौसर's physician was heavily dependent upon astrology in his profession. Thomas Tyrwhitt was an 18th century English classical scholar and critic who is most remembered for his edition of Canterbury Tales, who swept out of the existing Chaucerian treasury all unwanted pieces and subjected Chaucer's versification to through critical reading. Thus he established the Chaucerian canon. In the Canterbury Tales, the inn where the pilgrims meet is, inn का क्या नाम था जहाँ पिलग्रिम्स मिलते हैं? टैबर्ड इन। हु क्रिटिसाइज चौसर फॉर लैकिंग हाई सीरियसनेस? मैथ्यू अर्नोल्ड ने क्रिटिसाइज किया है। William Henry is the novelist and naturalist who commented Chaucer was not in any sense a poet of the people, he was a court poet who wrote for cultured readers and refined society. Green mentions is this author's best known novel, and his best known work of non-fiction is Far Away and Long Away. Who has been called the Prince of Pleasurists? Chaucer कहे जाते हैं। The number of pilgrims representing military profession in Canterbury Tales is 3, knight, squire and yeoman. How many ecclesiastical characters are there in prologue? 8 है। Prioress, Hernon, 3 priest, monk, friar and parson. How many women characters are there in prologue? 3 है। Wife, prioress और nun. The line "he was as fresh as the month of May" in the Canterbury Tales refers to the squire. The Scottish poet who wrote a poem mourning the death of Chaucer is Thomas Hockley in the Gornel of Princes, who described Chaucer as the well of English undefiled. Spencer ने describe किया है। To whom is Chaucer indebted for the general plan of Canterbury Tales? Boccaccio. Which meter did Chaucer predominantly use in Canterbury Tales? कौन सा मीटर यूज किया है? Iambic pentameter. The pestilence that ravaged the country during the time of Chaucer is Black Death और bubonic plague. ये कब आया था? 1348 से 49 में, और दोबारा इट रीअपीयर्ड इन 1364 में, 67 में, सॉरी 1362, 67 और 70 में। द नेम चौसर इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच वर्ड। किस फ्रेंच वर्ड से निकला हुआ है चौसर वर्ड? चौसियर्स, जिसका मतलब होता है मेकर ऑफ फुटवियर। ब्लैंक, जॉन ऑफ गॉन्ड्स वाइफ डाइड ऑफ प्लेग इन 1369। फॉर हिज वर्क द बुक ऑफ डचेस चौसर इज इंडेप्टेड टू ओविड। नेम द मेजर पॉलिटिकल इवेंट दैट टुक प्लेस इन चौसर्स टाइम। कौन सा पॉलिटिकल इवेंट था? पीजेंट्स रिवोल्ट, ये 1381 में हुआ था। विच इज़ द ड्रीम विजन पोएम रिटन बाय चौसर फॉर सेंट वैलेंटाइंस डे? द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ फाउल्स। अ फ्रेंच प्रोज वर्क ऑन ट्रेवल ट्रांसलेटेड टू इंग्लिश ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ चौसर इज? कौन सा फ्रेंच प्रोज वर्क है जो चौसर के टाइम ट्रांसलेट हुआ था? ट्रेवल्स ऑफ सर जॉन मैंडिवाइल है। द कंटेम्प्रेरी ऑफ चौसर हुज फॉलोअर्स वर कॉल्ड लोलार्ड्स एंड who is regarded as the most original and powerful prose writer of the time is John Wycliffe. He helped to bring the Dark Ages to an end in England, and despite serious opposition from the Catholic Church, he fought tirelessly and fearlessly for the right to translate the Bible into vulgar tongue. The followers of John Wycliffe were नोन एज लोलार्ड। जो जॉन वाइक्लिफ फॉलोअर्स थे वो लोलार्ड कहे जाते थे। हु फर्स्ट ट्रांसलेटेड द बाइबल इनटू इंग्लिश? पहले किसने ट्रांसलेट किया है बाइबल को इंग्लिश में? जॉन वाइक्लिफ ने 1381 में। द फर्स्ट बुक प्रिंटेड बाय विलियम कैक्सटर इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्रॉय in 1474. John Gaw's English poem, which is considered an encyclopedia of the art of love, is Confessio Amantis. The vision of William concerning Piers the Plowman is the extant poem of William Langland. The Wars of Roses took place during 1455 to 85. The war which paved way for the Enlightenment and powerful Tudor rule in England is War of Roses. It is the first book in English in poetic prose. The 15th century work printed by Caxton that is referred to here, Mortimer Arthur. Chesterton called the prologue to the Canterbury Tales the prologue to modern fiction because of its narrative unity. Who is called the morning star of Reformation? जॉन वाइक्लिफ कहे जाते हैं. द फ्रेंच वर्क बाय जॉन गावर इज कौन सा है? The French work by John Gower is Speculum Meditatis. Name the Italian work by John Gower. Vox Clementis, ये इटालियन वर्क है. और फ्रेंच वर्क कौन सा है? Speculum Meditatis. The War of Roses was fought between the House of York and the House of Lancaster. Wycliffe's Bible is a translation from Latin. What was the first vision seen by Langland in the vision of Piers the Plowman? The vision of a field full of folk. John Gower was called Moral Gower for his propensity for didactism. Name the greatest satirist of the 14th century who followed Juvenal. William Langland है. The first satirical composition in English language is the vision of William concerning Piers the Plowman है. The voyages and travels of Sir John Mandeville appeared in 1356 में. Gower refers to Chaucer towards the end of his work Confessio Amantis. Gower deals with Wat Tyler's rebellion in Vox Clementis. Who is the father of Scottish poetry? John Barber. The contemporary of Chaucer who is represented as the chorus in Shakespeare's Pericles is Gower. Tennyson's Idylls of King was inspired by Le Morte d'Arthur by Malory. The first book of Bailey's letters in English prose is Voyages and Travels of Sir John Mandeville. Chaucer's reference to stormy people in Clerk's Tale is about peasants' revolt. The character created by Chaucer who has a love for gold is the Doctor of. कौन सा character है? Who has a love for gold? That is the Doctor of Physique. The Will of English undefiled denotes Chaucer's development of a native style. William Blake said, "They are the physiognomies and lineaments of universal human being." They are the physiognomies and lineaments of universal human life beyond which nature never steps. Who are they? Chaucer's characters के लिए बोला हुआ है विलियम ब्लेक ने. Here is God's plenty. Who said this? Dryden about Chaucer's general prologue to the Canterbury Tales के बारे में बोला है ड्राइडन ने. Froissart, a literary personality of Italy, was the contemporary of Chaucer के contemporary थे. John Bale and Wat Tyler was the leader of peasants revolt के लीडर कौन थे? जॉन बाल और वाइट टाइलर थे. और ये पीजेंट रिवोल्ट कब हुआ था? 1381 में हुआ था. Langland's poem Piers Plowman was divided principally into two parts, namely Visio and Vita. William Caxton put up the first press in England at Westminster in 1476. Okay friends, thank you so much.